What it do, guys? It is your boy Montreal. You can call me MJ. Whatever you want to call me, you do it. So yeah, guys, this is going to be a video on ways you can acquire you some land. So let's get into this video. Step 1. Land is very limited and land cannot be reproduced, guys, which means that you cannot get the same piece of land and say, hey, I want this same piece of land over here that's going to be exactly the exact same of this piece of land. Something is not going to be the same. So just always keep that in mind of, hey, 1, I can't get the same thing I'm going to get over here. And 2, it's only a little bit of it. So you might as well go ahead and get you an investment. Step number 2, location. Shout out Darren. Main man always said your location is number 1 of where your place is at. You need to make sure, hey, my land is going to be near, the right amenities, to be able to get utilities. You want to make sure your land is in the right location. You don't want to have your land, right near, in a terrible area. You want to find you a nice piece of land that is going to be worth your while, and it's going to be in a great location. Step number 3. You need to get you a perk test. A perk test is what identifies what you can do on this property, if you can be able to even do it on this property. And it just fully just tests the moisture of the dirt to fully say, okay, can a septic tank, can something go under the ground which can be able to withstand your property? So this can either be done by the buyer, this can be done by the seller. So this is a test that you just need to get done so that you can make sure before you buy the property. Get you the test before you buy the property, and then make sure you're great. Also, to add on to that, zoning. Zoning is also another thing that will let you know what you can do with your property as residential, commercial, agricultural, different things that you may want to do with that property. This is what's going to tell you what you can do. So always check with the, I think it's the municipality. Make sure that your zoning and everything is set with your property. Make sure, okay, if I want to build a house, I need to be zoned residential. You don't want to buy you something that's zone commercial unless you want to build your business or something on it, and you can do some businesses with some commercial, with some residential sides, but that's another topic for another day. But that's what you want to make sure is that you're set with zoning. Step number 4, do your due diligence on everything that you purchase. Even when it comes to residential properties, when it comes to commercial properties, when it comes to land, do your due diligence. Take the time and really research everything that you need for this property. Make sure, okay, if I need this property and it's something going on with the taxes, I'm going to know what's going on with the taxes, before you even buy it. You want to make sure, okay, if I want to be near a farm, I'm going to research some farms near me. And really do that and make sure that you're going into a spot that you're going to actually want and the house and everything is going to be in the shape and form that you want too. Because people just say, hey, I want to go out and buy the land and want to get a $300,000 loan for a land and don't really know everything that they're about to go into. There's utilities and things out there that you may not be able to bring to your to your land. So then you just got a loan for something that you can't get utilities to. So just always keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. Step number 5, traditional. Now this may vary different states. Everything may vary different state, but most traditional mortgages, they don't really like to lend to land. Your traditional residential mortgages, they're not gonna say, hey, let's give you 300 or something thousand for some land, because they think, hey, I may not be able to get that investment back. They'll be willing to do land, for a property, because hey, that'll give it right back. They know it. Land is hey, you may have to go out and get a land loan, which should be a different, credit union of your choice or whatever, or I can help you get into that. So that's going to conclude, guys. Thank everybody for watching. I thank you for just leaning back, enjoying these steps of, how to buy you some land, and just take action. Go out and get it, but do your due diligence, but go out there and get you an investment that's going to be worth your while and do something with it. It's your guy MJ. I thank everybody for watching.